Hi guys, I'm the Natural One, and this video is another updated seedlings. And look, guys, I have a sugar baby watermelon, and so this pot is with the zucchini, dill, and the watermelon. And so far, looks like it's doing good to me. What you guys think? I can't believe I had some watermelon this summer. All right, coming up, we have the no, this is the winter squash and the radishes. Now, the radishes are doing excellent. Now, this is my first time actually growing radishes, and it is so easy. Look at that. That looks so nice. All right. Now we have the cauliflower. Yeah, so they're doing good. I mean, they just taking its precious time, doing what it's doing. So I'm actually happy with this. So they are doing good. So yeah, that's a good. Also, here's my herb garden. Now, look at my lettuce and chives and other things that I had planted. I have to look at the previous video, but look, it's starting to come in now. So that's definitely good, right? Looking forward to that. So look at that, guys. I can't wait to start harvesting those lettuce. I love salad. Now, this. My habanero peppers is not doing anything. They didn't die, so that's a good thing. However, it is still nothing. I even planted seeds in there and parsley and nothing. So I don't know. But this is what I also have in the other pots. So that's eggplant, or it could be another pepper. Who knows? I don't know. Nothing germinated there or there. At the bottom, that look like that could be a pepper. Eggplant. Look like a cauliflower right there. But moving on. Tomato and basil. I'm going to do a separate video with the corn, but the cucumbers is not looking good. So hopefully the seeds that I've planted in the dirt, hopefully they'll germinate soon. And last but not least is the tomato and onion. Now this is pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out.